Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials: your room name, reservation info, and the hotel SSID. Once you see the SSID, attempt to connect on the Xbox and watch for a captive portal. If a sign-in page appears, you can use the Xbox browser. If not, you'll need the Xbox MAC address. Go to Settings, General, Network, Advanced Settings, because many hotels register devices by MAC. Make sure you note device limits and whether Ethernet is available at the desk. Continue by handling the captive portal. If the Xbox browser loads, sign in with room info, accept terms, and test connectivity. If the portal won't appear on Xbox, connect your phone or laptop to the hotel Wi-Fi, open the portal, and register the Xbox MAC address so the console is authorized. Once done, reconnect the Xbox. Make sure to try an Ethernet cable if available, or use a small travel router to create a private, registered network for your console. Finish by signing into Xbox Live and running network tests to verify NAT, latency, and packet loss. If multiplayer or store purchases fail, retry the portal registration or reboot the console and router. If problems persist, use a travel router to present one registered device, plug into Ethernet if possible, or switch to your phone's mobile hotspot as a last resort. And if all else fails, ask the front desk to whitelist your Xbox MAC or raise the hotel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.